What's up, guys? So, welcome back to the Whistling Sleds Lube Tube channel. And suppose we should post something because we haven't posted in 5 months. Last time you've seen us, there's snow on the ground. So, it is currently 12:28, and good old cameraman Zach is editing this video. And hopefully you enjoy it a little bit because we did not work hard on it at all. We were just goon riding today and filmed it, I suppose. It's going to be a terrible video, so enjoy. Ow.
Here it comes. Yeah, brother!
He's got it. That was solid.
That was good. We need to screenshot that.
You can see him creeping up there and shit.
I'm gonna do 2 wheel on the 4 wheel. So let's cut the camera. The tires are so slick, he's not gonna be able to get on our side.
Oh. Well, he's gotten it before.
With them slicks?
Oh. He's gonna eat shit. R.I.P. the RM.
R.I.P. my rear fender.
He's got it.
Fuck no. He's grabbing clutch.
Okay, there goes Phil.
You gotta hit power band.
It's not his power band.
Why not?
Right, you fucking tree. Oh, that'd be funny shit.
Well, you got a Nick power band to pop it up.
Yeah.
Does he do that? No. How do you feel about this, Blake?
What?
How do you feel about this?
I feel like he's gonna owe me a new rear fender in about 10 minutes.
I believe it.
Let me get some stoppies on that fucking.
Dude, I need a fucking mic.
Nobody's ever gonna see this anyway.
Oh, we're posting them.
Turf Wars 2022. We're coming.
Saving wars. Sabin Wars?
Saving Wars 2023. Park it! Park it, young man!
He ain't gonna park it. Oh, he gonna wreck.
You! You bird!
I don't know. I can't get the front wheel up anymore.
Just dick's too hard. Like wiener's just too massive. It's weighing down the front end.
These tungsten fucking nuts I got on the trailer.
Yeah.
You know.
I had to put the left one in the front. That's the heavier one, so that's why it's not coming up.
Wait, so is that why on your sled when you pop up, it kind of goes to the left?
Relatable.
Ah.
Yeah.
It is.
ricocheting off the fucking trees. What's up? And me?
No, so this fucking Zach, if I come in off that bridge
Yeah.
at like 50 something, I can skip that whole fucking thing.
You think it's time to park it?
Maybe.
Hold on.
I didn't fucking get it.
Hey, you gotta do it earlier.
What was time?
Yeah,
Oh. Huh?
Blake, you fucking got it all day. You got it. I think he's trying to get more distance, so then you'll have enough time to go up.
I love how we missed that gauge.
He doesn't know.
That was hard as fuck.
You gotta do the banging one.
I'll try it. Bro, when I landed that one where I threw it my fucking hand, almost ate shit. I grabbed the fucking corner of the bars and grabbed the kill
I saw
switch.
your other hand when you came down, you went.
Yeah, I went like this. I just fucking grabbed right there. I'll try and chop it better next time.
Wait.
Zach, we gotta get the fucking what
He's got it. He just won't throw it.
Wait! He's got it. He just needs. Wait, you got it. You got it. Just commit. Dude, if you don't commit, you're gonna
You got
mess it
there.
up.
Oh,
I gotta
jeez.
get
Like,
Jared
look
so
at
then I
the
can
funnel
fuck
I
it.
got.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get the fucking thrown in, mate.
Hey, hit it a little harder at the lip. So you need
I'm gonna hit it from that side, yeah, and just see what. I'm gonna see how high I can get first. I wish the fuel wasn't plotted. Fucking haul ass through there, and just
plant it.
oh fuck it. She's blowing the fuck up.
It's his mom's garden.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, he has it.
I'm gonna get slow.
There.
Yeah, dude, earlier.
I got it. I got it.
Dude, she's solid.
Let me see that fucking fuel mark. I was in third.
Yeah.
That's tab. Shucks.
You
No.
can go here, and then just
I'll do that on fucking
all the way through your mom's garden.
Wait, it's not my dad's. It's my mom's. Let me see that. Sick.
You're kicking fucking dangling
What?
and shit.
Are you hitting it in between the two?
I think so, yeah.
Ugh. That's pretty skinny.
What's he hitting?
That's where he's going.
Oh, fuck that.
It's not that hard to hit.
Hit the concrete.
What?
Hit the concrete.
I do. You fly off that.
No?
We should build it up or some shit. Fly off.
How are we gonna do that?
But I could jump the rock pit at like 40.
Go from here, and then pretty much straight shot.
Tire tap it and do a stoppie.
Blake, you see the fucking sky over there?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Wait, if you like roll in right here, right about here, you're straight, and then you can really give her the juice. And then you give her distance.
Alright, cut the cams.
Alright, guys. Well, it's been officially 3 hours since we started the video. And, in that case,
Goodbye. Back to the lobby.